Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Hootsuite, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Hootsuite account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want a Hootsuite account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if it's related to content, Hootsuite is a popular way to disperse your content across different platforms and schedule it out. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Hootsuite website. It's hootsuite.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. So Hootsuite from time to time does run special promotions. So right now they're running a 30-day free trial. Check my video description for the most recent promotion. So in order to create your account, go ahead and click right here, start your free 30-day trial. Okay, next, in order to sign up for Hootsuite, you can go ahead and log in with your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or X, or your Google, or you can do what I do and enter in your full name, your email address, and then create a password. Once you've done that, go ahead and click right here on Create My Account. So I'm going to do this off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, Create My Account. Okay, next, in order to sign up for Hootsuite, you do need to enter in your credit card information. Now, depending on what promotion you sign up for, they do verify that right here. So you can see that no, you will not be charged until after your trial ends. So for this one, it's going to be December 27th, so a 30-day free trial. Also, they do let you know you can cancel your subscription at any time, even before the billing happens. However, you do need to connect your credit card before you get access to your account. Make sure you choose up here. So if you are going to be continuing the service, it's going to be $1,188 for the year. You get a discount because you'll be paying for the year up front, or you can do monthly right here, $149 per month. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my credit card information in off screen. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my credit card information. Next, I want to click down here on the bottom right, start my free trial. Okay, immediately after, Hootsuite sent me an email verification to confirm my email. So I'm going to jump over to my email and then click on the link inside that email. Okay, once I clicked on that link, it brought me here saying my email has been verified. So I'm going to click here, continue setting up my account. Okay, so now Hootsuite asks a few questions to help set up your account. So you can go ahead and answer these, or you can do what I do and then click on skip down here on the bottom right. Okay, next, in order to create your Hootsuite account, they do require you to go ahead and connect at least 2 social accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and connect mine off screen. Okay, I just connected my Twitter. So let me go ahead and log into another account. Okay, I went ahead and added in my Instagram account and then also my Twitter. So once you've done that, you're going to check on this button down here, add more later. Okay, next it's going to redirect you to this page. So click on Let's Go. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my dashboard in Hootsuite. So now I can go ahead and start creating posts. I can go ahead and start adding in other social accounts as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a Hootsuite account and sign up for their service, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.